Hey, it's Tom Karadza with another Rockstar Real Estate Minute. I want to share something that I think is so missed by beginner investors, especially because when we were starting out, we did the exact same thing. A lot of people, when they get into real estate investing, focus on finding the cheapest property they can get. And not only do they find the cheapest property, they try to find the cheapest property, which often means it's in a bad area. So problem number one, because bad property attracts bad people. When you try to rent it out, it's never really a fun thing. But what they then try to do is kind of lowball the offer and try to get a bad property for cheaper than it was already being listed for. Instead, the way that you should look about real estate investing is pull back, and instead of focusing on the immediate purchase price, think about the long-term vision for your portfolio. Do you want a bunch of bad properties in bad areas, or can you figure out a way to buy a better property in a better area? And not only buy a better property in a better area, when the market has so much demand as it does now, can you afford to pay a little bit extra for that property and outbid your competition and still profit from it? That's what sophisticated investors do. They know how to buy properties at price points that sometimes are more expensive than other people are willing to pay. As long as they know how to make money for it, it doesn't matter. A lot of times we see people losing properties for like $4,000, like a $350,000 property for $4,000. That's a cost at $17 a month. And that $17 a month for that $4,000 in extra money, half of that at low interest rates is going to equity right now, and not just to interest. So if you can afford to pay a little bit more, think about your portfolio, step back, don't focus on the cheapest properties in the cheapest areas. Think about the properties that you want to buy. Can you pay more for good properties, and can you figure out how to generate more income from good properties? That's what keeps you in the game for long periods of time. Until next time, your life, your terms.